So this is an embroidery I wanted to share with you today, and we call this the heart flower and butterfly. There's a little heart here, and here's our butterfly, and here's our nut flower. Now, this embroidery is one of the ones that we use for our beginner classes, our face-to-face beginner classes, and it's also one of the embroideries that we are thinking about making it up into a kit. So let me know what you think and follow for more information about upcoming kits. So let me zoom in a little bit closer and I'll tell you a little bit more about the stitches and the things that are going on in this embroidery. So I've zoomed in on the bag here, and I wanted to just go a little bit closer so that you can see some of the stitches that are happening. This is our heart flower and butterfly design that we use for the face-to-face beginner workshops, and we're going to hopefully make this one into a kit. So do watch out for that, more information on upcoming videos. So we've got the 5 essential stitches here for crewel work. We've got our stem stitch at the bottom here and coming up into these leaves. We've got tiny little rows of chain stitch in graduated colours coming all the way down here. We've got some French knots around and about here. There's quite a little bit of back stitch going on to support like little slight shadows next to other stitches. So for example here, we've got back stitch tucked in here and around underneath here, around the stem stitch. Here we've got back stitch and then a little bit of stem and then some chain stitch, followed by actually tucked into there another row of back stitch. French knots here. This is what we call long and short soft shading, and there's 2 graduating colours here. This is the medium into the dark of the 3 greens we're using, and up here I've got the light and the medium. So we've got a sort of a little look of a splash of colour with the lighter shades at the top here, darker shades at the bottom. So I'll go into some more detail in future videos on how to actually do all of these stitches and a little bit more about this design. So do follow and keep a lookout so that we can discover more of what's going on here in detail.